to add funds to Uber account. Download and open your Uber app on your phone. Then, go to the account page of the Uber app. After you go to the account page, you will see three options on the top of your screen. Choose the wallet in the middle besides Activity and Help. In here, you're supposed to see the Add Fund along with Uber Cash on the top of your screen. But unfortunately I don't have it due to some circumstances, but normally you will see it there. But I've heard that you will also need to add a payment method first to do that. So might as well set up your payment methods. But once you click the Add Funds, you can just choose either one-time purchase, autofill or a gift card. After you chose on those three options, just select the amount of money that you want to add to your Uber Cash account. So since I don't have it, I'm kind of struggling somehow to explain to you guys, but after you put the amount, you can just choose the payment method below and just click confirm to add funds. And that's it for this video. Hope you learned somehow, but that's it. Thank you.